Braui announced the launch of the world's first portable power station with built-in solar panels. Let me show you how it works. First, we open it, and guess what? It has a 30-watt solar panel, which is never going to let you down. This device has multiple built-in output ports. 2 USB ports, 1 PD Type-C port, 2 DC ports, 1 car port, and a 600-watt AC outlet. This battery is much more stable than any other battery in the market. The cycles of use life up to 3,000 times, 5 to 6 times more than the average battery. The AC outlets can support any device below 600 watts, such as a rice cooker, portable fridge, blender, etc. Maybe you want to know how to charge the Braui C600. Don't worry, we included an AC adapter, so you can charge it at home. When you're outdoors, you can charge through the car charger or built-in solar panel. And you can also connect the high-powered external solar panel to increase charging speed. Braui C600 is ergonomically designed and has a 614.4 watt-hour lithium battery. You can take it for traveling, camping, or as a home backup power supply.